If you're looking for a quick way to resolve IT problems in your organization, GoTo Resolve for IT support might be the tool you're looking for. But is it really the best option for fast, effective support? Let's dive into its features and see how it stacks up against the competition when it comes to resolving problems quickly. GoTo Resolve offers remote IT support that helps teams troubleshoot issues without the need for on site visits. It provides remote control of devices, file sharing, and even video support, all designed to get you back on track as fast as possible. Sounds great, right? But there's a catch. While GoTo Resolve is great for quick problem resolution, its interface can be a bit clunky. Navigating through its options isn't always intuitive, and for a tool meant to save time, it can end up costing you more if you get stuck in the settings. Next thing to consider is the remote support functionality. GoTo Resolve shines in this area, offering seamless screen sharing and device control, which is perfect for IT technicians working remotely. However, you'll notice that its performance can vary depending on the internet connection, and in some cases, there's noticeable lag. When you need a solution fast, a delay can add unnecessary frustration. The fourth thing to highlight is its reporting and analytics capabilities. GoTo Resolve offers basic reporting on IT incidents, which is helpful for tracking problem trends over time. But if you're looking for in-depth analytics or advanced customizations, you'll need to look elsewhere. The lack of more powerful reporting features can be a deal breaker if you're managing a larger team or network. The fifth point to keep in mind is the pricing structure. GoTo Resolve's pricing is competitive, but it can get expensive depending on the scale of your operation. If you're a small team, the cost might not justify the features. And compared to other IT support software, the pricing could be more flexible for small businesses. Lastly, GoTo Resolve isn't the only option in the market. There are some great alternatives that can meet your needs for quick IT problem resolution. Tools like Freshdesk or TeamViewer also offer remote support and quicker response times. Freshdesk, for example, has a simpler, more user-friendly interface and more robust reporting options. TeamViewer is a strong competitor with lightning-fast screen sharing and device control, plus it offers cross-platform support that GoTo Resolve lacks. So, what's the best solution for fast IT problem resolution? If you're after simplicity, reliability, and value for money, we recommend trying out one of these alternatives. They not only have great features for fast problem solving, but also come with a free trial so you can test them out before committing. In fact, we've got an exclusive, extended free trial for GoTo Resolve, but we also want to make sure you have all the information to make the best choice for your IT support needs. By using our link, you'll unlock the best trial offer available, plus, you'll get access to some amazing alternatives that might serve your needs even better. Click the link in the description to grab your exclusive benefits and find out which software is truly the best for resolving IT issues quickly.